All right, so we've gone through some of the core content about building landing pages, just in general, the things that you need, the stuff that is required. But, how do you use Replo? How does Replo fit in all of this, right? That's $1 million question. If you're in this program, you're already using Replo. That's the only way that I would hope that you found this. And if you're not using Replo yet, that's okay. I highly encourage you to use Replo. Replo, for those of you who are not aware, is our landing page tool. It's a builder, it's a visual builder, and you don't need to know how to code, or you don't need to be a fancy designer to be able to use Replo and build some amazing landing pages for your Shopify store. It's a Shopify app. When you sign up for an account and you connect your store, installs like any other app. So it's very easy. It's highly integrated into your store, and makes life very, very simple for you. One of the things that we've done throughout this journey is show you some of the different things that you can pull off from templates, and how to navigate the builder to load pages faster, like lazy loading and things like that. The remainder of this video is actually going to be two things. It's going to be, how you can use Replo to build a landing page, like tactically using some templates. And I'm going to show you an example where we built a landing page for a completely random brand in 10 minutes. And then right after that is going to be how you can use AI to build your landing page for you. A listicle, an advertorial, long form offer page, the 3 core pages you can build using AI. And so what our tool allows you to do is basically, it takes the templates that we fed it, and it takes your product information that you select, and then it writes all the copy, and it formats it how you need it. And then all you need to do is you need to change the fonts, you need to change the colors, add your images, and you're pretty much good to go after that. You're ready to start testing and publishing live. But before we get there, there's one resource that I do want to cover, and that is our experts program. And if you're not familiar with our Replo experts program, let me show you what that is. We're going to replo.app/experts. And all a Replo expert is an independent contractor that has gone through our rigorous testing. We have vetted them, we've approved them, and we will match you with one of them to bring your landing page visions to life. So if you have an idea of like, holy cow, I need this page to be brought to life, we can do that. And a Replo expert is waiting to build these pages for you. So whether you have an existing design, let's say you have a Figma design, an Illustrator design, sketch that you made in your iPad, or something you put together in Canva, whatever the case is, if you have an existing design with all the content, those projects tend to be pretty fast. Then if you need design, you know what the content needs to be, but you need someone to design for you. It takes a few extra days. So like, let's say you already have the design, maybe 1 to 3 business days. You need the design to be made, 3 to 4 business days. And then you need someone to like do all the thinking for you. Everything from building an offer, writing the copy, putting together the content that you need, etc. It's gonna be a little bit longer, and a little bit pricier than the other ones. I think a lot of the basic design projects start around $150 to $200. And then, the more complicated, very complex, where they do all the thinking for you type of projects, those can be up to like $3,000. So depends on where your project fits in, but no matter your budget, no matter what you have already, as long as you fill out this form, you can get matched and you will be able to get a project started very, very easily. So I highly recommend that you check out our experts program if you haven't already. And as you're building these landing pages that we've talked about, whether it's a long form offer page, a advertorial, a listicle, etc., whatever the case is, we hope that, if you need help, not only will you reach out to support, but if you want someone to build it for you, reach out and start an experts project. They are tremendous. So without further ado, let's jump into the other parts of building in Replo, specifically with templates, where I'm going to show you how to build a landing page, a listicle for completely random brand, just using ChatGPT. You're not using the native Replo AI feature. And then after that, you'll be able to see how you can build a landing page using AI and all the things that you can do from there. And we shall see you on the other side. Take care.
So to prove that this is going to be a complete speed run, this is going to record the entire time. I'm going to have a timer going, so we cannot fake the fact that we're going to build a listicle for a brand in 5 minutes, and we're going to do a completely random brand. I'm going to start the timer once we find the brand, and we're going to do that by first going to commercecream.com. Let's go to Commerce Cream. I'm going to pick a random number. Actually, let's just do a random number generator. Random number between 1 and generate 2. Let's go with something else. 9. Okay. 9. We're going to go here. Oh, this is a completely new way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is the site that we're going to do. Let's go to the site, and then we're going to start the timer. Okay, this is a sustainable leak-proof period underwear. Great. And then we are going to build a listicle for... All right, so here's what we're going to do. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to replo.com or replo.app. I don't know why I call it .com. It's not our website. I use this tool every single day. All right, so we're going to hit new page. We're going to do browse templates, and then we're going to go to listicles. And I'm going to use the, actually, let's go home. Let's go to Jobby. Use the Jobby listicle. All right. File listicle speed run. Leave that. I'm going to hide the header and footer. Hide the enough so far since we're going to create this for a completely random company. All right. So I'm going to come here, copy the URL of this, and then we're going to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say new chat GPT-4. We'll do the plugins. Make sure I have Web Pilot on. Okay, cool. I want you to read a listicle on a web page and then recreate a listicle content for a different company. How are we doing on time? Okay, we have 4 minutes left. Oh, we only have 3.5 minutes left. All right. All right, so let's find the Jobby coffee listicle template. Put that in here. And then let's go to file. And then we'll go back to ChatGPT. Boom. Okay, cool. All right. Oh, here we go. We are on a time crunch now. Like 2 minutes left. It's going to be a speed run. Speed run of all speed runs. Here we go. Oh, come on, GPT. Come on, GPT. Give us the stuff. Okay, here we go. 2 reasons why. And then we're going to do, come back to GPT. Do individual design. All right, we're going to come in and edit this later. All right. We'll just do the first 5. How about that? Just to make we got 1 minute left. All right, we can do this. Let's do super absorbent. let's do doesn't sound has it really been doing it since 1993? That's kind of incredible if that's the case. We'll have to fact check that, but all right, and then personal experience care, and then safety effectiveness, I'm sure. Yeah, there's 5 reasons why. Oh, and that's time. All right, so that's time. Didn't do the whole page. So let's reset and see how far we go before we're completely done. 5 reasons why. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. So now we have the design. Let's look at the time. 4 minutes, 22 seconds left. Ooh. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to photos. All right. So what we're going to do here, let's go back to aisle. I'm going to pull, let's see. I'm going to pull copy image address. Let's go here. Yeah. Let's do shop. Let's see what kind of images we can pull. Let's try copy image address, see what it gives us. Alright, that's not as flattering. What we'll do here. Yeah, we'll copy that. Cool. That's fun. Let's go to product guide. Let's go to tech. Let's do that. That's fun. And then that satisfying customer. It's a community. If the stuff will load. Oh, we're almost going to come on 10 minutes for this to work. Maybe we can do that image. Okay, exclusive early 4th. Let's do summer sale. Let's do this. Go over here. Perfect. And let's just go and build a set. Fine. Let's do that. Let's go to checkout. Let's grab checkout link here. And then here, we'll set the interaction to redirect to a specific link, open a new tab. And we're going to change this to let's say just try. Oh, go back here. And then let's just change this to almost done. Almost done. Yeah. Just time is up. And we're gonna kill that. So it's taking us 10 minutes or so to do this. You can add content there, but for now, let's just say that's done. It's already mobile optimized, and in about 10 minutes time, you have been able to build a listicle for a completely random brand, or I have been able to build a completely random brand. And the thing that took the longest was not building the page. It was 100% getting the content. It was waiting for ChatGPT to load, and it was just pulling content from the other things. So I hope that this illustrates just how quickly you can build pages for Shopify. And boom, just like that. I did edit it just for the sake of some clarity here, but I wanted to record this ending once more and just tell you how quickly you can build a page in Replo. Obviously, the longest amount of time was waiting for ChatGPT to generate content, and then from there, it was pretty simple, right? It's like loading content in takes a lot of time, but we went from having no idea how to, create a listicle to having a listicle that is ready for paid ads traffic. You can send email traffic to, you can send organic social traffic to it. However you want to distribute this page, it is pretty much at a place where you could comfortably, send it out. So it's, if you have the content ready to rock, our templates in Replo make it so much easier and so fast for you to be able to bring these pages to life. So I highly recommend you check us out if you haven't already. Simply visit us at replo.app, replo.app. Hit the Get Started button, or you can find us in the Shopify App Store. And I cannot wait to see the landing pages that you build. One quick note before I go, it's free to use until you're ready to publish a page. So if you want to bring this page to life, and all you have to do that is just hit publish page. Until you have to do that, it's free to use. So I highly recommend you try Replo out ASAP. I'll catch you next time. See ya.
Hello, Reploverse, and welcome to the future of e-commerce. I want to warmly welcome you to Replo AI. This is going to be a game changer for the e-commerce industry, for people building businesses on Shopify, and we are so excited to share it with you today. What we're going to do today is do a quick product demo of how this works, some of the limitations, but some of the magic that this can make, and how this can fit into your workflow so you can increase your conversion rates, how you can build better offers without having to be bogged down by the minutia of building a page. We really do believe that this is going to be the future of e-commerce, and we are so excited to share it with you. So without further ado, let's jump right in. You're going to see something you see all the time if you use Replo, which is the editor. We're going to click into a store. As the editor loads, all we have to do is click the new page button and hit generate with Replo AI. What do you want to build? Let's try to build a listicle today. You can build a landing page. So if you got an offer that you really want to promote, or you want to build a pre-sale page, a listicle, an advertorial, what have you, an about us or a store location page, you have the ability to pick the page types. AI is going to be able to select these specific components that are needed to make that page. Actually, I want to build a landing page, just a regular hard-hitting offer page. Choose the tone of voice. So the AI is going to write some copy, and I will keep it on. You know what? I will do joyful. I think joyful is quite nice. The goal: do we want to maximize conversions? Do we want to maximize cart size, cart value, educate users? I want to maximize conversions. I want to make the most money possible. Basically, what this is doing is it's helping give another bend on how the copy is going to be written and some of the sections that it's going to pull together to generate your page, and then choosing the product. Let's keep rocking and rolling with the bomber jacket. Now, you can add some additional context to the tone of voice for the copy or just the page in general. But all you have to do is hit the, and boom, you have a page built by AI. Now, I didn't want to make you wait while it generates. The page generation takes anywhere from 40 to 60 seconds, just so we're doing a ton of work to call the AI and pull all these pieces together. But you have a page that is built for your product. All that's left to do. Oh, it's also mobile optimized, which is quite nice, right? So not a whole lot of work you got to do. All you have to do now is you just have to style it, add in your brand colors, add in the images related to your product, link up the buy buttons or the CTA buttons to whatever experience you want to create for your perfect offer. You can change the icons really fast. Everything that you want to do, you're able to do super, super fast. And you don't have to think about how to structure a page. Now, the AI does that heavy lifting for you. So you can focus on making the highest converting offer. You can focus on building the best creative possible for your landing page and for your products so that you can go on the journey of increasing your conversion rates and just making more money. AI is going to dramatically change the landscape of how people build landing pages and interact with page builders in general. And we're so grateful that you're here with us building on top of Replo AI. This is really just it's a game changer. I'm honestly stunned every time this works and this we use this. I'm just like, holy cow, this is revolutionary. And I don't mean that lightly. I really don't. I mean, like at this point, I know what product or offer that I'm going to build. I know, okay, I need to change the fonts. I'm going to change the bullet points. AI did some great work. This is for my bomber jacket. Like, elevate your streetwear game with Replo's bomber jacket. It's a little fun, it's friendly. These elements, like, okay, maybe it's not exactly what I want, but I'm able to go in and quickly change it. I don't have to think about, okay, what elements should I pull in? What are the sections? Replo AI takes care of that for you. I mean, the social proof here, like this above the fold on the mobile is really, really banger. Like with the carousel and this above the fold, the star rating and the bullet points and your offers so clearly presented. This is beautiful. This is going to help you build landing pages faster. This is going to help you test things quicker and be able to pull out the lessons better so you can iterate and continue to scale. And that's the name of the game. This is bridging the gap between people who have never built a landing page before and people who are able to launch landing pages over and over and over again to grow their e-commerce stores. And we are so grateful that we get to put this tool in the hands of everybody that's building on Shopify. So thank you so much for joining us on this journey. This is still a work in progress. If you have any hiccups, if you have any glitches that you notice, feel free to write into support. Tell us so we can help diagnose and help fix this. But we are so, so excited that you are building on Replo AI, and we cannot wait to see the landing pages that you make. And we cannot wait to see the money that you generate from these landing pages. So welcome, and we'll see you on the build side.